Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you actually have authorized access to the Vivo Y21 and that you know the current app lock password, or PIN. Enter settings and note the Android and FunTouch OS version so you follow matching instructions. Backup important files now. Removing or changing encryption settings can risk data loss. Once done, make sure your Vivo account and Google account logins are accessible. These are the recovery paths you will need if you forgot the app password. You should try disabling app encryption from Settings Privacy or App Encryption by entering the current password. This is the preferred method because it preserves your data and updates system hooks properly. If the password is accepted, toggle off encryption and follow prompts to confirm. This removes app-level protection. If you cannot recall the password, use the Vivo account recovery flow or settings system reset options. A factory reset is a last resort because it erases user data, so only proceed. You finish by verifying each previously locked app opens normally, and then decide whether to set a new, memorable password or leave encryption off. If the official reset or account recovery fails, contact Vivo support with proof of ownership or visit an authorized service center. Do not attempt third-party bypass tools. If problems persist after a reset, make sure the OS is updated, try safe mode to isolate app conflicts, or reinstall the specific app. These steps address most remaining issues without compromising device security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.